No rush, no rigid schedule, just a winding road carved into the spine of the Appalachian Mountains. This is the Blue Ridge Parkway, often called America's favorite drive, stretching 469 miles through Virginia and North Carolina. It was built to connect two iconic national parks, Shenandoah to the north and the Great Smoky Mountains to the south. But along the way, it became its own destination. Every curve reveals something new. Misty valleys, wildflower meadows, quiet tunnels carved through rock, and overlooks that feel like windows into another world. At over 6,000 feet in elevation, some viewpoints float above the clouds. The Parkway was born during the Great Depression. Construction began in 1935 as part of Franklin D. Roosevelt's New Deal. It gave thousands of people work and gave future generations a place to slow down and reconnect with nature. Unlike most highways, the Blue Ridge Parkway was never built for speed. There are no billboards, no fast food chains, and no traffic lights. Just nature, silence, and the soft hum of tires rolling across time. Over 100 tree species line the road, and black bears, bobcats, and deer still roam the forests. In autumn, it becomes one of the best places in the world to see fall colors, drawing millions of visitors each year. There are hikes, hidden waterfalls, historic cabins, and stretches so quiet you can hear the wind shifting through the pines. Even without a plan or destination, the drive itself becomes the experience. Sometimes, just being on the road is enough. For more peaceful adventures, subscribe to Mandovids,